Hi everyone, welcome back to Ditzy Beauty, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I get this orange eyeshadow look. I'm using Orange You Glad by ColourPop. It's a very pretty palette, and yeah. First I'm going to start with some tape, small bit of tape. And just place it on your eye like so. This is just going to give you a nice clean line. I'm going to be taking my matte paint pot and Soft Orchid. The first color I'm going in with is called Sunkissed. And it's just like this really pretty bright orange. It's this one right here. So that is the first color. I'm going to be going in with this small angled brush. And for this, you're just going to go above your crease line. Like so. And you're going to kind of like, now you make your wing eyeliner like that. Well, you're going to do the same thing above your crease with the orange. So basically, you're drawing on winged eyeliner. And once you have that, then you're going to take some more and you're going to draw a line going down. And then you're going to get as close to your lash line as possible. Alright, so once you have it winged like so, you're going to go in with another brush. I'm using this brush. It's kind of like a thin, and it's angled as well. I don't know if you guys can see that. But I'm going to go in with the color Zested. I'll show you guys what Zest is too real quick. It is this light color up here. And you're going to be dabbing this on in the middle. Once you have it on the middle, then you're going to go in with this shade Clementine, which is the shimmer shade right here in the middle. You're going to apply this with your finger. And I'm just ever gentling so much. I did forget to bring down my my glitter adhesive, so this isn't sticking the best, but it still looks cute. So this is like, you guys get to see what it looks like without glitter adhesive and how it's going to turn out for you. So I'm kind of okay with this because not everybody has glitter adhesive and they're just going to pop this on their eye. A little more. Once you have that applied, then you're going to go back in with Sunkissed with the Sunkissed brush, and you're just going to touch up that bottom line. You're just going to really make sure it's there. And then we're going to go in with this fluffy angled brush with the shade Mimosas mixed with Rise and Grind, which is like this one and this one. And all you're going to do this is take just literally one dab of this color, and then the rest is all going to be Rise and Grind. And you're going to just gently dab this above your orange line. Okay. So once you get it to start looking like that, then you're going to go back in with Sunkissed, because I feel like my line has kind of disappeared, and you really want that orange Sunkissed line to pop. So I'm going back in with a little bit of Sunkissed, and I'm just going to redo my line. And then last but not least, you're going to go in with the shade right here, and it's called Tangerine Dreams, and this is going to be your inner corner eye, and I'm just using my finger to apply this, and I'm just going to gently dab it on my inner corner. Is that what I used? I don't think that's what I used for this eye. Oh boy. Okay, well, I messed up. This inner eye has Tangerine Dreams, and this one has Sunkiss, or not Sunkiss, Squeeze Me. Either of them work wonderful. I'm just gonna kind of go over that other one with some Tangerine Dreams. I feel kind of bad, but that's okay. There we go. Now they kind of look more the same. Yeah. But anyways, that's this. I will be right back. I'm gonna go apply the rest. There we go. The rest of my makeup, and I'll be right back. So, can't get the tape off my hand. I'll be right back. Alright, so I just finished doing my full face, and this is our complete eye look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I can't wait to see you guys next time. Bye!